Hello, food lovers. Welcome to another delightful journey in the kitchen. Did you know that cooking can be good for your mood? Yes, you heard that right. It's true. When we cook, we get to be creative and have fun in the kitchen. The act of chopping, stirring, and seasoning can be incredibly therapeutic. The best part? We end up with a delicious meal that makes us feel good inside and out. It's like a reward for our efforts. Think of your favorite comfort food. What comes to mind? Maybe it's a warm bowl of soup, perfect for those chilly evenings. Or perhaps it's a slice of your mom's apple pie, bringing back sweet memories of home. Food has a magical way of making us feel better, even on the gloomiest days. It's like a ray of sunshine on a rainy afternoon. When we cook, we're not just feeding our bodies, we're nourishing our souls too. The love and care we put into our meals can be felt with every bite. It's like giving ourselves a big warm hug from the inside out. The warmth of the food spreads through us, bringing comfort and joy. So let's put on our aprons, grab our favorite ingredients, and get cooking our way to happiness. Whether you're cooking alone or with loved ones, the kitchen is a place where magic happens. Sharing a meal with family and friends can strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. The laughter, the conversations, and the shared experience make the food taste even better. Don't forget to include plenty of fresh, colorful ingredients. Not only do they make your dishes look beautiful, but they're also packed with nutrients that keep your heart happy and healthy. Experiment with herbs and spices to add flavor without extra calories. A pinch of this and a dash of that can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. And remember, taste as you go. Cooking is an adventure, and sometimes the best recipes are the ones we create ourselves. So, let's embrace the joy of cooking. Let's fill our kitchens with the aroma of delicious food and our hearts with happiness. After all, a happy heart is a healthy heart. Here's to cooking for a happy heart. Bon appétit! Let's talk about the good stuff. Certain foods can actually boost our mood. Think of them as little rays of sunshine for your plate. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and walnuts, are like brain food. They help our brains stay sharp and happy. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are packed with vitamins that give us energy and fight off the blues. And don't forget about bright and colorful fruits like berries. They're full of antioxidants, which are like superheroes for our bodies, keeping us healthy and strong. Choosing the right ingredients is like adding a sprinkle of happiness to every bite. Don't worry, you don't need to be a top chef to cook for a better mood. Here are a couple of super simple recipes that anyone can make. Blend together a handful of your favorite berries, a banana, a dollop of yogurt, and a splash of milk. It's like a tropical vacation in a glass. Toast a slice of whole wheat bread. Top it with mashed avocado, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and a fried egg. Protein and healthy fats will power up your day. These recipes are quick, easy, and oh so delicious. For me, the kitchen is my happy place. It's where I go to relax, experiment, and create. Sometimes I put on some music and dance around while I chop vegetables. Other times I get lost in the process of kneading dough or carefully measuring spices. The kitchen is my canvas, and the ingredients are my colors. It's a place where I can express myself and find a sense of peace and joy. I encourage you to find what brings you joy in the kitchen, whether it's trying a new recipe or simply enjoying the process of cooking. Section 5. Stress-free zone. Tips for a calming cooking experience. Cooking shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be a delightful escape from the daily grind, a time to unwind and create something delicious. Let's turn it into a fun and stress-free activity. Imagine the joy of dancing around your kitchen, laughing at the little mishaps, and savoring the aroma of your culinary creations. First, before you start cooking, take a few minutes to gather your ingredients and read the recipe carefully. This simple step can save you from unnecessary stress and confusion later on. This will help you feel more organized and in control. When everything is in its place, you can focus on the joy of cooking rather than scrambling to find that missing ingredient. Second, don't be afraid to start with easy recipes. Simple dishes can be just as satisfying and delicious as more complex ones. As you gain confidence, you can gradually try more challenging dishes. Remember, cooking is a journey, and every step you take builds your skills and confidence. Third, put on some upbeat music to create a joyful atmosphere in your kitchen. Music has the power to lift your spirits and make the cooking process more enjoyable. Music always makes everything more fun. Whether you're singing along to your favorite tunes or just enjoying the background melodies, it can transform your cooking experience. Lastly, remember, even the best chefs make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. The important thing is to learn from them and keep experimenting. Each mistake is an opportunity to improve and discover new techniques. Cooking should be a relaxing and enjoyable experience, so find what works for you and make it your own. Embrace the process, enjoy the journey, and most importantly, have fun in your kitchen. Happy cooking! Section 6. Savor the moment, mindfulness and the art of cooking. Cooking can be a wonderful way to practice mindfulness. Instead of rushing through the process, try to focus on each step with all your senses. Notice the vibrant colors of the vegetables as you chop them. Inhale the fragrant aromas of herbs and spices. Feel the textures of different ingredients as you combine them. By paying attention to these small details, we can fully immerse ourselves in the present moment and appreciate the simple joys of cooking. It's about savoring the journey as much as the destination. Section 7. Sharing is caring, cooking for connection and love. Food has an incredible power to bring people together. When we cook for others, we're sharing not just a meal but also our love, care, and a part of ourselves. Whether it's a simple dinner with family or a festive feast with friends, cooking and sharing food creates bonds, sparks conversations, and strengthens relationships. The act of nourishing others is deeply fulfilling and brings a sense of warmth and happiness to our hearts. So, next time you're feeling down, try cooking a meal for someone you love. You'll be amazed at how much joy it brings to both of you. Section 8. Body and mind. Nourishing yourself inside and out. When we cook with fresh, wholesome ingredients, we're not only making delicious food, but we're also fueling our bodies with the nutrients they need to thrive. A healthy diet can have a profound impact on our mental well-being. When we eat nourishing foods, we feel better physically and mentally. We have more energy, our moods stabilize, and we're better equipped to handle stress. So, let's make a conscious effort to choose ingredients that are good for our bodies and minds. Remember, cooking is an act of self-love. It's about taking care of ourselves and nourishing our bodies from the inside out. Sharing meals with loved ones can also enhance our sense of community and belonging. The act of cooking and eating together fosters connections and creates lasting memories. By choosing fresh, wholesome ingredients, we are making a commitment to our health. This commitment extends beyond the kitchen and into our overall lifestyle. A balanced diet supports a balanced life, where physical health and mental well-being go hand in hand. Taking time to reflect on our eating habits can help us make more mindful choices. Growing our own herbs and vegetables can be a rewarding way to ensure we have access to fresh produce. Gardening not only provides us with fresh ingredients, but also connects us to nature. This connection can be incredibly grounding and therapeutic. So let's embrace the joy of cooking and eating nourishing foods. Let's celebrate the positive impact it has on our bodies, minds, and relationships. Remember, nourishing yourself inside and out is a journey, not a destination. Every meal is an opportunity to take care of yourself and those you love. So savor each bite, enjoy the process, and nourish your body and mind with intention and love. Section 9. The delicious journey, cooking your way to a happier you. Cooking is more than just following a recipe. It's a journey of self-discovery, creativity, and joy. It's about experimenting with flavors, exploring new cultures through food, and sharing delicious meals with the people we love. So embrace the adventure. Don't be afraid to try new things, make a mess in the kitchen, and most importantly, have fun. Remember, every time you step into the kitchen, you have the opportunity to create something delicious and to nourish your body and soul. Happy cooking, everyone!